In that case, we can see the object of infinite
Long
height,
distance.
yeah, long distance, but cannot see the object at nearer. So based on that, we have first question. We have first question over here. Can we do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? And what is the solution for it? Human eye can focus on objects at different distances by adjusting the focal length, right?
Option B, accommodation.
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 Okay, accommodation. Okay, ये far nearsightedness is myopia, farsightedness is hypermetropia, and presbyopia. All these three are eye defects. Okay, and this is the conditioning. We can say it's conditioning of eye structure. Can we say conditioning?
Yeah.
What does we mean by condition? Conditioned. Condition means training, right? Training. And this training means that when there is light, the eye, what can we say? The eye lens arrange themselves in such way that we can see the object, right? Image forms at retina. In dark, it further arrange itself so that darkness can be perceived by our eyes. This is the situation. Is this the situation or something else? In accommodation, what happens in accommodation? It adjusts its focal length, right?
Yes, sir.
But why this happens? Why eye has to adjust its focal length? Our
To
lens
see
can,
objects of different distance.
okay. This is the beauty of natural machine, right? Eyes is a natural machine, right?
Yes, sir.
So nature has built us in such a way that our eye can focus its focal length according to the situation. Good. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me increase this. The screen is visible well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next situation is the human eye forms the image of an object at
Retina.
At retina.
At retina. What's the use of cornea? Is the gateway of light?
Yes, sir.
Cornea is this is one dark spot, and after that this is another spot, right? The light enter from this. That's the cornea, right?
Yes, sir.
What is iris? We already discussed about the function and uses of all these, right? So you have to keep in mind as you see the word, the concept should be clear. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you have to revise it again. You didn't revise it, I think. The least distant of vision for a young adult. What is it?
25 centimeter.
Okay, someone was saying 25 meters, right? Okay, if one can see an object at this distance, okay, up to this distance, what will be the eye defect?
Isometric.
Hypermetric. There we can see the object at far distance, right? But can't see the nearest. This will be also the example of hypermetric, because there we see the object at the order of meters, right? What about this one? This is
Myopic.
centimeter, myopic. All of you are getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to only focus about this 25 centimeter, but we must know the the another examples, options. Okay. In this way, in one question, we can handle 4 questions. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
The next one is change of
Yes.
focal. Yeah.
Sir, ciliary muscles.
Okay. So what about these two? Put some light on these. We already discussed retina, iris, and pupil. So this time it is ciliary muscles. Okay. The next one is this one. Can you proceed? Is anyone solving this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. So what is the formula for power? P
1 by F.
1 by F in meter, right? Always keep in mind in meter. So focal length will be 1 by P, right? So this is minus 1 over 5.5.
Sir, may I tell?
Yeah. What
It
is it?
will be minus 1 upon 5.5
Mhm.
equals to minus 10 upon 55. The point below will be converted into 0 over
Yes.
minus 2 by 11 after solving it.
Minus 2 by 11.
11. Yes, sir.
How? Uh, Okay, okay. You says that minus 2 into 5, 10, or 11 into 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So this will be cancelled. So finally, minus 2 by 11. So see, this
Sir,
is
it
the
will be
solution. Yeah, yeah.
the minus 0.1818 meter, and the final answer is minus 18.2 centimeters.
Minus 18.2.
Point
You
centimeter.
change it in centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so keep in mind that this is being changed into centimeter. Otherwise, it could be 0.188, right? 182.
So minus 0.1818 meter, then multiplied by
Yeah.
100, so it will be minus 18.18 centimeter.
Is clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one key point is that if the vision is the problem with distant vision, okay, so our power will be negative. Okay. Distance vision means hypermetropia. Myopic hypermetropia, right? Distance means that only, na? What is distance vision? And what will be for lens of power, this one for near vision?
Sir, can I say the answer?
Yes, yes.
66.7 centimeter.
F is equal to 1 by, tell me the 1 by P, and this P is how much? 1 by
1 by 1.5.
1.5. This is 10 by
10
15,
by
means
52.
that 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 5. 5 to 5 cancel. This is 2 over 3, right? And what is the final one?
0.66 meters.
66 meters. What about in centimeter?
66.7. 66.7.
66.7
Centimeter.
centimeters. So if the vision, near vision, for near vision,
Convex lens.
convex lens and power will be positive, right?
Positive.
Okay. So these questions interchangeably being asked in exams, right?
Yes, sir.
Sometime the sign will be asked, sometime the focal length in centimeter will be given, and you have to find the diopter or power. What about this one? Will you proceed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Problem is for myopic. Okay.
Sir, done. May I tell?
What is the answer?
Sir, minus 1.25D.
Tell me
Sir,
the
focal.
procedure. Tell me
Sir,
the
F will be minus 80 centimeter or minus 0.8 meter, because the person has myopic eyesight problem. So the lens used will be concave lens, and
Okay.
as the formula of power of as the formula for power of lens is P is equals to 1 upon F. Therefore, P is equals to 1 upon minus 0.8. Therefore, the answer will be minus 1.25D.
It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is the question. Next one. We already discussed the hypermetric correction, right? We shown its diagram. Isn't?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So can you do it and show me?
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
So we have to make. So we have to make a diagram to.
Yes, yes.
Sir, sir, I have solved the equation.
Okay. So how did you solve? What is U?
Sir, U is minus 25 centimeter.
Everyone is agree with that? What is V?
So minus 100 centimeter.
Minus 100 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you directly changing the unit in this to that.
Yes, sir.
You are keeping this in centimeter. This is in
Yes,
meter, so better we write like this. Okay, 100.
So by the length formula, we will find the focal length. 1 upon V minus 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon F.
Okay, everyone agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Sir,
1
1
over,
upon, 1 upon minus 100, minus 1 upon 100 minus, in bracket, minus 1 upon 25.
everyone agree with this? Minus plus,
Is 1 upon
minus
F.
minus
Yes, sir.
minus.
Therefore,
Okay,
sir, we will
so
take we will take the LCM
why you wanna take the LCM? You are not the baby, okay? You just multiply it by 4 and
yes,
multiply it by 4.
yes, sir.
So this is minus 1 over 100. Why you are
Yes,
putting your life in danger? We might make some mistake in taking LCM and changing it from here to there. Now see, this is simpler or not?
yes, sir. Sir,
So
F will be 100 by 3 centimeter or 1 upon 3 meter.
sorry.
Sir, F will be 100 by 3 centimeter or 1 upon 3 meter.
No, no, no. Let me do. Okay. So this step is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is clear to each and every of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be 3/100, right? This is 1/f, right?
Yes, sir.
So F will be how much? 100/3.
By
These
centimeter.
all calculation are in centimeter, keep in mind. So how much it will be? 33.33, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is in centimeter. Any doubt, any problem, any confusion?
Sir, now we will find. Sir, now we will find the power.
Okay, find the power.
Sir, P is equals to 1 upon F. Therefore, P is equals to 1 upon 1/3, which is equals to 3D.
100/3. This is in centimeter. So keep in mind, when we are going to calculate the power, this is 1/f. I'm saying again and again, this should be in meter, right? So
Yes.
our focus in meter is how much? We have to see, okay, how much we have the power.
Sir, 1 upon 3.
1/3. So this
Yes.
will be 1/1/3, right?
Yes, sir.
So this
It-
will be 3 diopter. Is clear to everybody? The key point is that it should be always in meter. Okay, never do in centimeter. Better if you are going to calculate the power of lens. So keep all quantities in meter. Got my point? If you are going to calculate the power, keep all quantities in meter, right? Got my point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is what can I say? This is the warning. So you don't fall in pitfall, right? So this is clear. Now you have to make the image diagram. Will you do right over here, or you will do as the assignment?
Sir, right over here.
Okay, then you have to show me as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, do it.
Done, sir.
Done, then how you will show me? How will you show me?
So the video is not opening.
So Can you put in my WhatsApp? Is possible?
Yes, sir, I will send in Learnivio.
It will take time to come from there to me. You may send over there. If I'll receive, it will be good. Okay. Everyone is okay with this?
Sir,
So you put
so may I,
you put your answer to the Learning View app manager or admin. Okay. I will
so,
get from there.
so,
Yeah. Go ahead.
so may,
If you are okay to share the screen or
yes, sir, yes, sir. So
uh,
may I?
yeah, show through the camera. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sir, if there is any mistake, sir, please tell.
Of course, I'm here for that. I won't laugh at your mistakes. Okay. Because I too will do n number of mistakes. Okay, that's good. This first part is the eye lens and another is the lens. Okay. The correction lens. Okay, it's right. It's
Sir, I
right.
have also done.
Okay, show me if you could. Yes, that's right. You have to mention the 25 centimeter, the minimum distance.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay,
Sir,
then okay, okay, done. See, I'm trying now. This is islands, islands, islands. Okay,
yes,
and oh, sorry, sorry. I could have used that. This is another artificial lens. Okay, Kavita, you wanna share?
Yes, sir, I can share it.
convex lens.
Can I share?
Yeah, of course. Why not? Why not? You show like this. You keep like this. Yes, it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. So this is the principal axis. Suppose this line. Okay. And the ray will be, this will be the object O from here. From this eye, it will be 25 centimeter. Is the minimum distance. This point. And there will be the object, right? This will be the object. Initially, ray will be like this. Ray will be like this. And after this refraction, this will be at retina, right? And this will be virtually like this. It will be look like that. This is eye lens and this is our convex lens, CL.
There will be a point where the image is formed on the retina.
Yeah, this is our retina.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, it's tough to make the neat and clean image without a ruler, right? If you have a
Yeah.
scale, you have scales, you can do it in better way. So next time use the scales to do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till now, any problem, any confusion, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So we are done with our valuable eye. Okay. So take care of it as much as we can, because if once we lost it, it's tough to fix it again. Okay. That's the thing now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Eat green vegetables, pulses and all. So you enjoy the eyesight. And also don't play with a screen much. Reduce your screen time as well. Sir, this is impossible. I can't reduce screen time like that.
No, sir.
Okay, so keep watch on your screen time because this is really disturbing our eyes. Even excess of screen time, if you are spending much time on the screen time, your sleep will be disturbed. You will get insomnia, right? So there are n number of problems with the screen. It's not only eyesight, but it disturbs our biological clock as well. Because
what is
in
the
night, sorry,
the name of the problem is if a person does not sleep whole night?
I think insomnia. Okay,
Yes, sir.
go and check to the Google, ask, okay, what's the reason in cows? As we use a screen in night time after the sunset, okay, our eyes will perceive that there is still lights. So it will focus in different way. It will be thinking after some interval of time when we get up, it will be thinking, okay, this is our biological clock. So still we have to survive. I will think, okay, still it's not dark. We have to survive a little bit more. But when it will feel that, okay, that's light is not continuous, it's not going beyond a certain time. So it will shift our clock. That's why we feel sometimes that we are not getting sleep till late night. This is because of this as well. More screen times. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have another topic called reflection through a prism, right? Reflection through prism. Have you seen the prism?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have the two-dimensional figure over here. I could have shared a video or something for better visualization, but I couldn't do that. So see, uh, let me give me 1 second. I think prism is not equally positioned. Is it still visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So what's the different part of prism? This angle A is called prism angle. This is prism angle, right? This D is called deviation. Deviation, this is incident light from one medium to another medium. Light will bend, okay? So here we see the bending. Again, from one medium to another medium, light will again have some bendings. So you just extend this ray and extend this ray back. Pen tip is visible to you?
Yes.
Is pen tip here visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we will extend these two lines, this is the initial line, this is the final line, we see that there is this difference. This is called deviation. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
sir.
This is incident angle. This is reflected angle. This is this will be equal to I will be equal to R. So this I will be equal to this I as well. This will be equal to I as well. Here this is this is reflected as well, and this is the again reflected angle. This is R. So this will be equal to as well E. So we get here a triangle. If we will increase this like this, This is a triangle. So we can find all the angles. But in class 10th, we don't have derivations. No derivation. Okay. No derivation. Only results. Only results. Everything is clear. This is the emergence angle. And this emergence angle will be equal to this angle. Which angle? This angle, I think this will be equal to this. This angle equal to whole like this. Is clear from geometry? This angle will be equal to this angle. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is from geometry. We may see. I'm removing all these points so it will be clear. See, this line connects each other and this line connects each other. Like this and this. So this angle is equal to all this, right? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's observation of prism. This is, I think, let me see the another screen. So which book do you follow most of the time? Which book do you follow most of the time?
So can you repeat what did you said just now?
Which book you follow most of the time? NCRT or some another?
NCRT.
Study and digest.
NCRT, no other book, just NCRT.
Sir,
No,
reference.
Right.
Okay, for reference.
Yes, sir, reference book.
Okay, so this was the brief discussion. This is only discussion. Okay, there is no much derivation or thing. So we just have to understand what is a refraction through a light. So again, I'm coming to that point and I'll discuss a little bit more. Give me a second. I'm coming on that screen. Okay. So what we are left with, we are going to detail little bit this. Before that, I'm going to paste one more image. This is rainbow, right? Is this rainbow?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Nowadays it's rainy season, so we may see it. But my task is to explain this. This is the basic rule of optics. When a ray comes from a rare medium to denser medium, the ray will bend toward normal. Do you know this? Everyone is aware of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So light is bending toward normal. This is the normal. You will see that light is coming toward normal. Okay, when light is going from our denser medium to rare medium, it is moving away from
Normal.
normal. So this was the basic introduction of it. There is no more discussion. Another discussion is dispersion of white light through a prism. So this is the white light, white light beam. It's broken into 7 colors. V, V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. 6, 4, 7. Got the thing?
Yes, sir.
This is, which color is this?
Violet,
Violet.
This is,
indigo,
this is,
blue,
this is
green,
Green.
yellow.
yellow, orange, and red.
Red.
So, can you tell me why the red color is being used at the red signal? This light breaks into its component according to its wavelength. Okay, wavelength lambda. The white light consists of all the lights. Is the mixture of all the color. Mixture of all the colors. Got the point?
Yes,
It's
yes, sir.
mixture of all the colors. If you will pass it through prism at certain angle, we get all these 7 colors. These 7 colors breaks itself depending upon the wavelength. So if you will go from here to there, what will be the wavelength? It will increase or decrease?
Increase.
This lambda will increase. So my question was why the red light is being used at red signal.
Sir, as it can be seen through a distance.
Of course, as it can be seen from a
Proper distance.
farther distance.
It
That's
has
right.
maximum wavelength.
Maximum wavelength. So if the wavelength is maximum, a scattering of light will be minimum. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Its wavelength is maximum. Is maximum means SCATTERING, a scattering of light will be minimum. What does it mean? Govita, what does it mean? Naufal, you didn't speak anything.
Yeah.
Abir, you were also just an observer. Shoaib, you too were observer. Okay, you didn't share any thought. Are you fasting nowadays? Abir and Shoaib?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then why don't you speak something? Gobita, where you are? Are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I asked why does it happen? If wavelength is maximum, the scattering of light will be minimum. So what does it mean? What the mean of this sentence? What is a scattering?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, of course.
Sir, it is because the light which has the light which has higher wavelength has a less probability of colliding with the particles present in the mediums.
The screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The screen is visible. That's good. So, as he said that the light will collide with the particles. Okay, and then what? Will you speak again? I didn't get.
Yes, sir. So the light which has high wavelength has the less probability of colliding with the particles present in medium.
Okay, so that's why there will be no scattering, and light can travel a large distance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone is happy or satisfied with this answer?
Yes, sir.
So you may be asked that why red light is being used at a red signal. That's red signal means danger. So similarly, if we will go up a stair upside, then wavelength will be increasing. So wavelength will be increasing. So as wavelength will be decreasing. So as wavelength is minimum, scattering will be maximum. So light will be die just after traveling few meters or kilometers, whatever it is. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Thing is clear? Have you heard about the Doppler effect? You didn't heard about Doppler effect, right?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Actually, it's not the part of syllabus, okay? But I asked. Doppler effects. This is your reading assignment. It's not the part of syllabus. I'm iterating it, but still you may go and read, and then you will get idea. Okay? Everything is okay for today's class?
Yes, sir.
Any-
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir,
Yeah.
is it change? Sir, is it the change in the lambda or during the relative motion?
Of course. Okay. When we are at platform or one train is coming with vessel, what happens? We close our eyes. Sorry, ear. When a train is receding from us, we don't always do that. It's okay. The light is sound is going. So this is the change in intensity or frequency when source is coming toward us, and decrease when it is
And a
yeah,
wave source and its observer.
yes. So this is the Doppler effect. It's really a fascinating phenomena of physics, right? So it's clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion or any doubt regarding today's class?
No, sir.
So what is the homework?
Of course, homework. What you want in homework? The way we did some numericals or conceptual question in a starting,
It's a numericals.
only numericals, not conceptuals.
So both.
Okay. The way we started today was okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when is our next class?
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Thursday at what time? Same time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will convey the homework to the admin and then we will get that. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, 110 physics. Okay. Have a nice evening, right?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
See you.